So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some of the Gaucho Marks sauce. I have taken this chimichurri container. It is marked Gaucho, and it is filled about 4/5 of the way with chimichurri. It is 4 parts chimichurri to 1 part barbecue. So I'm going to fill the rest with barbecue sauce. And that's going to need to be shaken up really well, and you're going to want to shake it every time that you go to use it. Alright, so that's our pre-mixed Gaucho sauce. Now this just needs to be mixed into the onions. Here I've prepared about a 1/3 pot of grilled onions. It's best to use ones that were just reheated or just came off the grill, so they're nice and fresh. And stir that in real thoroughly. Get it nice and even. Want a little bit more than that. And that is what you want your Gaucho onions to look like. Are we ready to make a Lucy vegan?
We are.
I think we're ready to make a Lucy vegan. All right, I'm gonna start with a steamed roll. Open that up. And by default, the Lucy vegan comes with a chipotle veggie. Can also be done with the Italian style if they want a less spicy option. And then what we're gonna do next is we're going to take some of our Gaucho onions and we're going to cover that veggie with a nice, generous pile of the Gaucho onions, just like that. Okay, and our Lucy vegan is ready to serve.